Hi, and welcome to my course on how to design the perfect logo for your business. This course is about much more than logo design. It's about differentiating yourself from your competitors with well-thought-out branding. In this course, we will cover topics such as color psychology and choosing the right fonts and colors for your brand. We'll get into the fun and creative process of finding inspiration and making mood boards. We'll discuss the vital elements of creating a successful logo. And finally, we'll be creating your logo in Adobe Illustrator. Don't worry if you've never used this program before. You can download a free month-long trial of the program, and I will walk you through each step of the logo creation process. As a bonus, I have also included lessons that cover naming your business, trademarks, and taglines. I am glad you are here. Let's dive in and design the perfect logo for your business.
Before we get started, I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I am the principal and creative director of Creme De Mint, a design studio I started in 2010. I have been designing logos for many different types of clients, from juice companies to yoga studios. My clients have included Avon, Victoria's Secret, Bliss, and Benihana. In 2013, I won the Miami Gold Addy from the American Advertising Federation for the logo I designed for Code Miami. I've also won awards for my package design and branding from How International Design Awards, Graphic Design USA Magazine, Core 77, and Print Magazine. I'm excited to bring my experience and expertise into this logo design course for you. Welcome to the first lesson in logo design for business owners. This section is designed to help you succeed in this course. In lesson 2, we will discuss the difference between a logo and a brand, two connected but very different concepts. Then I'll walk you through your logo action plan, which will help you stay focused and organized throughout this process. Now, before we get started, I want to be sure you have everything you need to succeed in this course. You'll need two important things. The first thing is the right mindset. Even though logos look simple, they are a culmination of a well-thought-out process which includes defining your brand, researching your competition, creating a brand concept, and then carefully choosing each element of your logo. Please don't skip any sections. Even if you think they're unimportant, every part of this course is necessary for designing your logo. Be patient with yourself and open to exploring new ideas. The second thing you'll need is to download Adobe Illustrator. If you don't have Illustrator, you can get a free month-long trial by going to bit.ly/Illustrator trial. You'll need to use Illustrator to design your logo, so make sure to download it as soon as you're done with this video. That's it. Thanks for being here, and I'm excited to jump in and help you design an incredible logo.